Hello lads and e-girls and welcome to another video. This time we're doing something new. I had this brilliant idea to start a new series where I help out gamers all over the world with breathtaking creations. I've also heard that asking you to sub at the start of the video is a good idea, so you know what to do. Or else. Do you ever have a great round of any game with your friends or just hang out in voice chat but get a noise complaint the next day? I've been there and I know how it feels. If only there was a way to prevent that. Oh wait. So, here's how we're going to do it. The base will be made out of a cardboard box. Inside, I'll attach a chips can with 2 screws and give it rotation energy by adding this rubber band in the back. A computer mouse will be attached with a rope to the can. All we need now is a mechanism that can detect loud sounds and activate the spinning can. And I've done all that just to do this. Featuring a rolling chips can, an Arduino, a microphone, this rubbery thing, electronics you probably don't understand, more electronics, a motor, and a red LED. Because, you know. I put together all of this trash with hot glue, just to make an even bigger pile of trash that does a thing. Or in other words, causes absolute chaos. Although it wasn't that good, so I tried making it more interesting by gluing nails to the front to increase the chance of something going wrong for content, but they just broke instantly on the first test, just like my will to finish this video. This same day, my grandparents came to visit and my grandma was interested into what I was doing, so I showed her my machine and this was her live reaction. Bruh, I forgot to remove the trash, oh no. And because I care about quality, I ran the machine through many tests. And in half of them, the machine just randomly went off. Or just didn't work at all. Oh no. The reason for that could be that it's made out of literal trash and the few items I bought off Amazon. What else can I talk about? Ah yes, the code. So here's the code in all of its glory. It looks pretty complicated, but it's actually really simple, of course, if you understand what the things here do. So this is the most important part of the program. All it does is wait for a high enough signal from the microphone and then activates the mechanism. I mean, there is of course a lot more, stuff here, but you just don't worry about it. The documented version is in the description. Hopefully you now understand how it works and what it does. Hopefully. With that off of our list, we can finally go and use it. I bet you're wondering which game I'm going to use it on. It's Bed Wars, my computer can't run anything else. Yoink! Yeah, you can't get me like that. No! Ah! The mouse just flew. Oh god, it's so hard to do this. Oh, there's only one guy left. Okay, I guess I'm getting carried. Let's... Dude, that's bullshit. Why am I winning so much? Yeah, go off. Yeah, we got this kid. We're gonna get another one. No. Okay. Ooh, I almost activated it. Wait, did he actually? Bro, yeah, bro. This is gonna be super funny, bro. Hello, you will die. No, dude, don't, Dude, it went for me again. Come on, get here. Come on, we got this. Yes, we got him. Another victory for us by... It's not like we have a time bomb in our hands. Yeah, we can go bully blue. That's gonna be funny. You can't. You can't. Dude, no. Dude, we just no. Oh my god, this is. Playing with that small mouse was quite annoying. At least we got some good clips out of it. You're probably wondering, Zim, where did you get all the money to make this video from? Well, I took it from my wallet, and that's not gonna last forever. My videos take lots of time and effort to make, and what if I told you, yeah, you, that you could help me make them? Introducing my Patreon page! With this new tool, you'll be able to hugely contribute to my channel, and in return, you'll get access to upcoming video bloopers, fan requests, unique Discord roles, and much more. With this video, I'll be completely changing my channel's content from gaming to making stuff with a pinch of streams. I've waited long enough in the shadows, and now it's time for the Zimulated channel to finally, truly begin. And as always, thanks for watching.